Welcome back to Simply Shway. In this video, we are going to show you how to make rock candies. To make rock candies, we need water and sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. I love sugar. I'm glad that I got paper straws and food coloring. To make my rock candies, I'm going to use pink, rose pink, and some red. To make my rock candies, I'm going to use blue, sky blue actually, and orange. Our mom is going to help us do the rock candy. Let's start! First, we need to make sugar syrup. For that, we are taking 1 cup of water and 3 cups of sugar. Keep a pan on the stove. We're going to put the first cup, 1 cup of water in. We have to wait for it to boil. The water is boiling. Now let's add 3 cups of sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. I love sugar. Yummy, yummy sugar. It's done. Now we have to turn off the stove. Take that out. I can't wait for the candy. We will wait till it cools down. Now I'm going to take the paper straws and dip in the water and roll it on the sugar. Let's put some of the color in the glass container. I drop. This is my pink food coloring, and I'm going to put. I drop inside. I'm going to put my red in. Red. Okay. I'm just going to take this away and bring this away. Pour it. This one good. Now I'm going to pour my sugar syrup inside here. Going to pour it in. Going to pour it. Make sure it doesn't spill out. I need my mommy's help. Now we're going to take the paper straws and put it inside the colored syrup. Yep. It's time to take out the rock candies. For that, we are going to tell you the science behind rock candies. So when we mix the water with the sugar, it makes super saturated solution. And this means the water can hold the sugar when only both of them are hot. As the water cools down, the rock candy starts crystallizing. Do you remember when we took this straw and soaked it in water and rolled it on sugar? This way we made the sugar stick on the straw, and that helped as a seed crystal. These are the tiny crystals which helps to make bigger crystals form. Sugar molecules crystallizes in a solution when they bump into each other and stick together. This is how rock candy is formed. Let's take out the rock candies and enjoy! So guys, there's a tiny problem which happened when the rock candy was forming. Because on accident, my sister spilled it. But it's okay, I forgive my sister. Stop! Oh, it broke. Yeah.
That's a rock candy.
Now the rest from inside. Yeah, but let's open this. Let's open it. I'm gonna open it. This one came out very drippy. Yeah, stuck in the bottom.
This one was a big fail.
A little bit, it's okay.
It's a big fail, but it's okay. It's still yummy.
I'm gonna open this one. I can take this out. It's like, oh, this one came perfect. See? You want a drink?
No.
Now I'm gonna taste the red one. Good. Can I taste? My turn. I will start with the blue one. Very different.
Yeah, now the orange one.
Some juice. But remember, it's not a healthy snack. Don't eat them a lot and too much. Only eat them once or twice. See you next time. Bye.